The steps to getting a mortgage may seem shrouded in mystery, like the Wizard of Oz behind the curtain. The reality is that there is a consistent process to a mortgage loan, and they follow a predictable progression of 6 primary steps. And once you understand this list of steps, then you can begin the path that will take you to your next home. Removing some of the mystery can make the process not only more predictable, but certainly more understandable. Welcome back to another episode of Living Fire. If you never want to miss an upload, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Step 1. Mortgage pre-approval. Once upon a time, many mortgages were made without any sort of pre-approval process. While this could work for some, others need a little help understanding what they can afford. The pre-approval process is a simple credit pull from the 3 credit reporting bureaus, and it may involve reviewing income documents or bank statements. This report will show both your credit history and score. It is an indication of your ability to repay a loan. This allows a lender to more accurately determine the loan amount for which you qualify. The pre-approval stage will help you settle on a budget range. You will know what house you can afford and feel confident making an offer on a home in your budget. A pre-approval is also an excellent way to indicate to a buyer that you are serious about an offer. Having a pre-approval letter ready to go can help you complete negotiations on your dream home. Step 2. The home search. So, after you have obtained a pre-approval, it's time for the fun part. Online technology has made the home search a much more informed process. You can use popular online tools like Zillow or work with a local real estate agent to find the home you are looking for. Using an experienced realtor can potentially help you save some money in the process. When paired with a reputable mortgage broker, like at Range Lending, the process can actually be fun. A mortgage broker is there to run the numbers and verify that you can afford that dream home. They'll guide you through the process and make sure that you are set up in the best way possible for success. Step 3. Write the offer. In many ways, the offer is the most suspenseful part of the process. If you opt to go the route of going out on your own, then there are websites where you can purchase an offer template. If you opted to work with an experienced real estate agent, then you have a trusted guide to navigate the all-important offer stage. If you've been pre-approved and have searched diligently to find the home you need, then this step is where the hard work can pay off. Your offer may include contingencies, which are conditions that must be met prior to the execution of the contract. These contingencies include no unexpected findings in the home inspection, the need to first close on your current home, or other such situations. Offers typically include 1 to 2% down for earnest money, or a deposit that is committed to confirming your earnest desire to purchase the home. Step 4. Seller counter or acceptance. The seller will either accept, reject, or counter your offer. If you receive acceptance of your offer, then congratulations. It is time to move on to the next step in the mortgage process. If you receive a rejection, then your offer is either simply too low, the seller has a better offer, or the seller rejects your contingencies. You may still have a chance to see an offer accepted, but you will need to reevaluate how badly you want the home and adjust accordingly. Lastly, do not despair if your offer is countered. It means you are close, and a little more negotiation may just do the trick. It is not uncommon for prolonged negotiations to take place, or even to face several rounds of offers and negotiations on different homes in a seller's market. Step 5. Mortgage application process. While Step 1, the mortgage pre-approval process, may help pave the runway for your mortgage, this part of the process is where you work with the mortgage broker to fund your now accepted sales agreement. You will need to submit updated documentation for your income, liabilities, and additional information. Your mortgage broker will be able to lock in your mortgage rate and schedule your closing. If you opt to go with an experienced mortgage broker, then they can help you quickly navigate this part of the process and get to the closing much sooner. Step 6. The closing. A mortgage loan truly culminates in the closing of a mortgage. It is the final action of the plot that secures your ownership of your new home. Expect to bring the cash to close and sign more than a few mortgage documents. The mortgage application process really feeds into the closing, and it is important to assemble the correct documentation to keep the process running smoothly. If your mortgage broker, real estate attorney, and the title company have done all their work, then this is the part where you can celebrate. Hopefully, you now feel more comfortable with the mortgage process, getting started with calculating your mortgage. People tend to focus on the monthly payment, but there are other important features you can use to analyze your mortgage, such as comparing the monthly payment for several different home loans, figuring how much you pay in interest monthly and over the life of the loan, tallying how much you actually pay off over the life of the loan versus the principal borrowed to see how much you actually paid extra. And with that, we've reached the end of this episode, all about 6 easy steps to understanding your mortgage payment breakdown. Do you own a mortgage? What steps did you take to succeed? Get involved and let us know in the comments section down below. If you enjoyed this one and found it helpful, remember to leave a like on the video and to subscribe to Living Fire for even more amazing videos just like this one. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.